ప్రజెంట్ ఉన్న గర్ల్స్ హూ ఆర్ లైక్ మోర్ బోల్డ్ దెన్ బాయ్స్. ఒకటి రిలేషన్షిప్, ఒకటి సిచ్యువేషన్షిప్, అండ్ దెన్ ద థర్డ్ వన్ ఈస్ బెంచింగ్.
Oh my god, too many relationships are there. There are friends with benefits, this and that, too many.
నేను నా పచ్చిగా చెప్పాలంటే అబ్బాయిల కన్నా అమ్మాయిలు మరీ ఘోరంగా ఉన్నారు ప్రజెంట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ అండ్ ప్రజెంట్ జనరేషన్స్లో. సో మీరేమంటారు? వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఒపీనియన్ ఆన్ దాట్? అంటే మేబీ ద కల్చర్ చేంజ్ లేదా వెస్ట్రన్ కల్చర్ ఎక్కువ అలవాటు అవ్వడం వల్ల, లేదు అంటే బేసిక్గా ఇండియన్ కల్చర్ ఇది కాదు. ఇండియన్ కల్చర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ దిస్. కంప్లీట్గా చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది కల్చర్ అనేది. సో వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఒపీనియన్ ఆన్ దట్?
See, it's all because now technology has become so much advanced. Due to technology, due to Western influence, now the generation, they are becoming like that. They want everything in very young age.
Yeah.
Because the interface has changed. Previously, when we were in schools, then we came to college. That time, the scenario was different. Nowadays, all means not only girls, boys also, they see everything in their very young age, like 13, 14, in the teens only, they come to know everything. So they get bored also with that, and they want something new. What new we can try? So this is what happening with this and too many relationship. I don't understand ye relationship, wo relationship.
You know what is benching?
I don't know, dear. Actually, and I don't want to because too much complications.
There's
are there.
3 types of relationships, I guess so.
Only 3. I guess too many now.
What I know,
According to
those
your
are 3.
knowledge.
Yeah, according to my knowledge, 3 నాకు తెలుసు.
Okay.
ఒకటి రిలేషన్షిప్, ఒకటి సిచ్యువేషన్షిప్,
Situation.
అండ్ దెన్ ద థర్డ్ వన్ ఈస్ బెంచింగ్.
Okay, so what?
Benship. So relationship is being with one person, situationship is to that situation, and benching is reservation.
Reservation.
Like he's already in the relation,
Okay.
and one more girl will be waiting for this girl. If she moves, she comes in. This is benching.
This is benching.
So
Okay.
these many kinds of relationships were there. Meek తెలిసిన relationships ఏంటి?
Oh my god, too many relationships are there. There are friends with benefits, this and that, too many.
Is much friends with benefits. What is your opinion as a like you're from 90 kids, I guess so.
See,
90s kids, right?
90s, but I'm like one man woman. That thinking only I carry. So I don't believe all the situationship, friends with benefits and all. जब तक आप किसी एक के साथ हो, whatever time, be with him. 100%. जब नहीं होना है तो अपफ्रंटली सी देयर इज अ सेइंग कि ट्रूथ बोलने के लिए ट्रूथ सुनने वाला भी होना चाहिए. अनलेस एंड अंटिल यू आर नॉट इन अ कंडीशन टू लिसन द ट्रूथ, हाउ यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट कि सामने वाला आपको ट्रूथ बोलेगा. यू शुड बी ऑल्सो इन दैट कंडीशन.
Yes.
सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, आपको एक बार ही यू विल फील बैड single time whatever. See, I have heard in many relationship कि वो चली गई है ना, रिलेशनशिप बचाने की हमने बहुत कोशिश की, उसने तो मेंटली जब उसने पहली बार ही सोच लिया, वो फिजिकली जाना बचा था बस. So mentally everything happens first on your mindset.
Okay.
And वो फिर धीरे धीरे फिजिकल आने में it takes time.